Alright, I gotta go. We're late. Oh. So I left work about just over halfway through my shift. This is the first time I've missed any time in over 3 years. And as bad as I feel for lying about the reason that I left, mental health isn't a big enough of a reason to want to leave. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it puts me in an awful predicament. Fuck it. Let's go walk around for a while. Ouch. You alright? Oh, that fucking really hurt. Oh, I gotta sit down for a second. Oh man, that fucking knocked me hard. What I was trying to say. Fuck, I deserve that. So I feel like I'm forced to lie because mental health issues aren't real. Yeah. For as long as I can remember, I knew that these days were coming. It's just a matter of time. It was inevitable. So I think the reason that I'm filming is if I don't make it out, at least there's something that somebody will know I tried. I don't know how else to put it. The fuck was that noise? My wallet was a little bit beat up before, but man, when I fell earlier, I fucking destroyed my wallet, and I'm pretty sure I took a chunk out of my ass in the process. Fucking hurt.